Let's shorten the finish a little bit. Remember how you want to hit it and stop fast? Yeah. Right in front of you, yeah. Yep. Nice. All right, so let's take a look.
The takeaway, I still.
You know, it's better, right? Because remember how
But it's better,
yeah.
of course. Yeah,
it used to be away from you.
I was like,
Yeah. You used to have the hands fly away from you in the takeaway. Now they're kind of staying in the same spot.
Yeah.
So the hand path from here to here, pretty good. Club's a little inside just because you're not radial enough. So we can go more of that in your takeaway as you take it back. So a little more radial, that'll keep that club on your hands. Plane of the swing is good here. Good there. Here, I could say the hands could be what?
Yeah.
Where? In more, right?
Yeah. Because I started out probably came down the same way.
Yeah, it's like you took it back, you kind of a little out here and a little out here, right?
Yeah.
Rather than in and then back in. Let's say that we cut that space in half, then it makes it easier to square the club up. Remember how I said how when the hands are here, they're close to you, the club comes out this way, but when they're far away from you, the club drops. That's what's going on. But at least that club face is pointing down. So club face down means it's square. Start line's a little bit to the right of where you want it. We'll keep working on the footwork too.
Yeah.
So we want to bank there. And then if you look at like how much front bend you have here, see how like your head stays down through the shot like this?
Is it too much?
It's too much.
Yeah.
Impact is the lowest point of your head. That's when you're the most this way, right? But after you hit a ball and you start rotating and extending, you can start lifting that up.
I'm staying here too long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like I'm here at impact and then I go release the right side bend and get taller here. So it doesn't mean that I'm going to go out of my posture like this.
Right.
It means I'm going to stay with my right shoulder down, but I just release that a little bit, yeah. So even when I finish, the right shoulder is a little bit under the left shoulder like this. It doesn't have to be level. Your finish here is just a little bit less side bend.
Yeah, less.
So you can be a little taller there. But other than that, it looks good. Yeah. So go to your impact right now. Your checkpoint is going to be from impact to club parallel here. You're going to release the right side a little bit. So it's this interval here where you're going like that. Yeah. Exactly, yeah. Yep. Impact is where I have the most front bend and side bend. After that, I start releasing right away. So I'm not going to be hitting a shot staying in side bend forever. So I don't want to be hitting a shot like this, because that's just staying down for too long. I'm going to let myself get taller. So I'm releasing the right side bend, I'm getting taller, I'm thrusting more. But I still have a little bit of side bend. My right shoulder is still below the left a little bit. That's the trick here. We're trying to balance off the releasing of the right bend with a little bit of this. And what helps us stay stable is the feet and the legs, because I still keep the right heel down. I still keep my thighs together, but I'm not going like that. Ooh. You know how like Tiger Woods talks? You familiar with Tiger's voice? Oh, that was really good. That was really, really good.
On the backswing, how much of your weight goes on your right side?
Let's say like 70 to 80%.
That much?
On right here, on the instep. That's the big key. So just because the weight's going backward doesn't mean the hips have to go backward like this. It doesn't mean the tailbone has to transfer back. I can still keep the weight back here with the centered hip. So my tailbone can be directly in the middle here, but I still put most of my pressure here. And that's the way to do it, because we don't want to be doing it by shifting the tailbone back, because if the tailbone goes backward, now the weight goes on the outside of the foot and I do that.
And then you sway it.
Right. So as long as I keep the tailbone centered in the backswing, I keep the pressure right there. Yeah, so I go from most of the weight back here And then I use that pressure to push this way on the way down.
At the impact? Is it like
95% on the front foot at impact.
Oh, 95 here.
Yep. So pretty much all the weight.
Oh, wow.
Yep. So if you just did nothing else but you roll the right ankle, you bank the foot, you can feel that. Almost all the weight's over here, almost nothing back here.
Right. I don't have to do much.
Yeah, you don't have to do much, you just have to roll. Yeah. If you bank, the weight shift takes care of itself.
That's why you've been
Yep.
telling me to do
Yep.
that. Yeah.
Okay, pretty good swing. We can still get the face to turn over a little more. So like kind of try to hit it a little left. Remember, most of the squaring is done from top of backswing to impact. So that's where most of the turning happens.
Here and then?
Yeah,
Here.
exactly.
Oh, that.
It's almost right on the ball line. So now I have to start this left to that stick.
You make me do it, yeah.
Yep. So the feeling is a pull.
Pull.
A pull just to hit it straight.
Feeling.
Whoop.
Again.
Putting wall. Hitting the ball well. Conditions are really tough out there. So you know why you're pushing it, right?
Yeah.
You gotta get the hands back into you so then you can do that. Let's pull this one on purpose. So we're just trying to, get the club face recalibrated. Ooh, that was... So long backswing is key. Finish the backswing. And then when you swing, you also try to finish, you gotta stop fast too with the driver.
Okay.
It doesn't mean stop short, it just means like you swing and you go like that. So yeah, exactly, you have to stick the finish. Ooh. So it's like long backswing, short finish versus short backswing and then long finish like this. So stop there, go to the top again. There you go, that's parallel.
This?
Yep.
Isn't this too much for me?
No, that's fine. Okay. Yep, that's it. Mm-hmm.
Is it the pretty much same swing as iron? But if
yeah.
there's a difference, what would it be?
So the setup is the biggest thing that changes. So the more axis tilt, so more axis tilt is just bend away from the target like this. So that changes the nature of the bottom of the circle. Then I can flatten it out and get the club to move up into the ball. But also the release is a little bit different because I'm not hanging on to this as much. I have to let it out. So when the iron release is more like this, and then I recock. With the driver, I recock a lot quicker, so I go like that. So the hands are closer to my body in the release with the driver. I'm doing this versus that. Pretty good swing there. Let's get a lower arm at the top of the backswing.
Oh.
So instead of the arms like up here, get it around.
So
go to the top of your backswing again. Deeper like that. Yep. Better. Much better swing there. Better. Much better swing there. That was my favorite driver swing so far. Whew. Not too bad.
I think some guy, you hit somebody.
Huh?
He fell.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, you scared me. You really scared me. I thought I hit somebody. Oh my God.
Oh.
That was pretty good.